Learning English can seem like a big challenge, especially if you're just starting. But don't worry. With the right methods and tools, you can learn English quickly and effectively, even in 2025. This video will help you step by step, making the process easy and fun. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear goals. Before you start learning English, it's important to know why you want to learn it. Do you want to speak English for travel, work, or school? Setting clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Short-term goals. For example, learn 10 new words every day or practice speaking for 15 minutes. Long-term goals. For example, be able to have a conversation in English or pass an English exam. Write down your goals and review them regularly. This will help you see your progress and keep you motivated. Step 2. Use technology to your advantage. In 2025, technology will be even more advanced, and there are many tools to help you learn English quickly. Here are some ideas. Language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise are great for beginners. They teach you vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in a fun way. Online courses. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer English courses for all levels. You can learn at your own pace. YouTube channels. Many YouTube channels are dedicated to teaching English. You can watch videos on grammar, vocabulary, and even listen to native speakers. AI tools. In 2025, AI, artificial intelligence, will be even smarter. You can use AI chatbots to practice speaking English or get instant feedback on your writing. Step 3. Practice every day. Consistency is key when learning a new language. Try to practice English every day, even if it's just for 10-15 minutes. Here are some ways to practice. Speak out loud. Practice speaking English by reading books, articles, or even talking to yourself. This will help you get used to the sounds of English. Listen to English. Watch movies, TV shows, or listen to podcasts in English. Start with subtitles in your native language, then switch to English subtitles, and finally try without subtitles. Write in English. Keep a journal where you write a few sentences in English every day. You can write about your day, your thoughts, or anything you like. Use flashcards. Apps like Anki or Quizlet can help you memorize new words and phrases quickly. Step 4. Learn vocabulary in context. Memorizing long lists of words can be boring and ineffective. Instead, learn new words in context. For example, if you're learning the word apple, don't just memorize it. Use it in a sentence. I ate an apple for breakfast. Learn words related to a specific topic. For example, if you're learning about food, focus on words like bread, rice, vegetables, etc. This way, you'll remember words better and know how to use them in real-life situations. Step 5. Focus on pronunciation. Good pronunciation is important for being understood. Here are some tips to improve your pronunciation. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers and try to imitate how they speak. Pay attention to the sounds, stress, and rhythm of their words. Use pronunciation apps. Apps like Elsa Speak or Sounds. The pronunciation app can help you practice and get feedback on your pronunciation. Record yourself. Record yourself speaking English and compare it to native speakers. This will help you notice areas where you need improvement. Step 6. Practice speaking with others. Speaking is one of the most important skills in learning a language. Here's how you can practice speaking English. Find a language partner. You can find language partners online through websites like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Speaky. These platforms connect you with native English speakers who want to learn your language. You can help each other practice. Join English classes. If possible, join an English class in your area or online. This will give you the chance to practice speaking with a teacher and other students. Speak with friends. If you have friends who are also learning English, practice speaking with them. You can have simple conversations and help each other improve. Step 7. Immerse yourself in English. The more you surround yourself with English, the faster you'll learn. Here are some ways to immerse yourself in the language. Change your phone language. Set your phone, computer, or social media accounts to English. This will help you get used to seeing and using English every day. Read in English. Start with simple books, articles, or news in English. As you improve, you can read more challenging materials. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. For example, if you're at the store, think, I need to buy milk, instead of thinking it in your language first. Step 8. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. Don't be afraid to speak or write in English, even if you're not perfect. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Step 9. Stay motivated. Learning a language takes time, so it's important to stay motivated. Here are some tips. Celebrate small wins. When you reach a goal, no matter how small, celebrate it. For example, if you learn 50 new words, treat yourself to something you enjoy. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be very motivating. Join a community. Join online forums or social media groups where people are learning English. You can share tips, ask questions, and support each other. Step 10. Be patient and persistent. Learning English quickly doesn't mean you'll become fluent overnight. It takes time, effort, and practice. Be patient with yourself and keep going, even if it feels difficult at times. Remember, every small step brings you closer to your goal. Bonus tips for 2025. In 2025, technology will continue to evolve, and there will be even more ways to learn English. Here are some bonus tips to stay ahead. Virtual reality, VR. In the future, VR could allow you to practice English in virtual environments, like ordering food in a restaurant or attending a meeting. Gamification. Many apps and platforms will use games to make learning English more fun and engaging. Personalized learning. AI will help create personalized learning plans based on your strengths and weaknesses. Conclusion. Learning English quickly in 2025 is possible if you use the right tools, practice consistently, and stay motivated. Set clear goals, use technology, practice every day, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With time and effort, you'll see progress and be able to communicate confidently in English. Good luck on your English learning journey.